Which dirt bike do you think is going to be faster? Is it going to be the PW50, the TC50, or the 110 RL KLX? We'll find out. First dirt bike that's up is going to be the 110 KLX110 LR TTY. I don't know what it is. What is it? It's a KLX110. First we're gonna do the KLX110. Next we're gonna do the Husqvarna TC50. And then after that we're gonna do the Yamaha PW50. One lap, each one. We'll see which one gets the fastest lap. Same rider. Comment down below which one you think is gonna win, or if you thought a different one was gonna win, let us know. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. All right, first set right here. .21 seconds. So we are gonna hop on the TC50 and see if you can beat it. Now we're up on the TC50. Here we go. Harlan, do you think it's gonna be faster than the 110? Do you think the TC50 is gonna be faster than the 110? I don't know. What do you think?
I go slow on there because I don't really know how to ride it just yet.
But you're doing amazing. PW50, last test. What do you think? You think you can smoke it with the P-Dub?
Yeah.
Give us a little burnout. Woo! All right, Riley, go. P-Dub is #1.